Hey guys, it's your girl Asian. I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be a Zepeto tutorial. One of my subscribers kind of like inspired me to actually do the video because I was gonna do it, but like she inspired me to do it. So shout out to you. Anyways, I screen recorded it, so it should be on this side or that side, either or. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Also, I'm in a different setting because I'm at school and I didn't feel like recording at home. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Oops. Okay, so basically you're gonna download the app first, of course. So that's the first thing you do. You basically download it and all that stuff. Step 2, you're gonna open the app. And it took a while for it to like open and like load. So like we're gonna be sitting here for a bit waiting for this app to load. Okay. Now after that you're gonna make a Zepeto, and obviously I started with my email. So I put in my email, and after I put in my email, you gotta go create a password. And I was like, I'm not gonna record put my password on there. So they asked me for my password and all that stuff to make one, and I made a mistake and did it wrong. So basically they're gonna let you allow all, for like camera and push notifications. They're gonna ask you female or female, and then they're gonna ask you to take a picture so that they can try to make a person that looks just like you. So yeah, I took a really ugly picture. So basically, based on that picture, that's what they got. And from here on now, it's kind of self-explanatory on what happened and what I did. So I'm gonna let you guys watch. Like, I'm basically editing myself, like what I want to look like as a character. And like, your girl didn't want to change her facial thing, so that I picked between two colors. And this is my favorite part because gotta pick some eyebrows, and like I picked what my eyebrows look like. Yeah. So anyways, that's what I did for this part. Not too light, not too dark, not too sharp, not too, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying at this point. But yeah, I didn't like how some of the eyes, some made my eyes look too big, some were just too small, some made me look angry. So I was like, nah, man. But I most definitely didn't want the eyes that I had, because it looks like I'm squinting at something like. So yeah, this part is where you do the eyelids though, because some people don't have eyelids, like, not eyelids, but they have like eyelid issues. I like my nose perfectly how it was, but I do not like my lips though. So I changed that as well. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Everything is so self-explanatory on what I'm doing, and you can do it yourself. I did not put a little dot on me, even though I have one under my eye. I did the little blush because your girl got blush on today. And you can always edit your face. I did freckles too. And don't mind my eyes. They creased on me today. I'm so sad. I did put on purple eyeshadow, and I did do the lashes. Why is this so long? am I that picky? I should have just left the character how it was. They let you do eyeliner and I did blush like all over my nose. And then I did little lipstick. I did it really red because I like my lips red. Yeah. And then you process it by hitting next at the top corner. Then you make your name for your Zepeto. And then everything else, basically at this corner right here is play, where you get to play. Then the next corner is where you go look for your friends. Then after that is direct messaging, where you can talk to your friends and this is your profile. So you do that, and then you can, after this, you know, I kind of just started decorating my own little house. So that gray background that you first saw was your house. And I didn't know what to do, so like, I was just decorating. I'm moving around a lot because I already recorded this video, and like, I'm getting antsy. Cause why? Why do I have to re-record it? So yeah. Look at this. Wow, that's so embarrassing. Yeah. Anyways, this should be the end of the video. Because, yeah. Well, the end of this screen recording. Okay. So anyways, that is my tutorial for today on Zepeto, don't know, but still, that's my little tutorial. So without further ado, I'm gonna end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new here, like, comment, and share. Without further ado, I'm ending this video. Bye.